Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily create a family member profile in the Deco X50. So first, here we are at the main page. Now what we need to do is we need to click on everything looks good. So basically on this little menu right here, now choose the phone that you want to create a family member profile for. So for me, it will be an iPhone. Now, as you guys can see, here we have the family member option, and now we can create a profile. Now we can create the profile name. So for example, let's name it Reset. And here we can select its age. So let's say it will be 15 years old. Now we can click next, and now we can click got it. So as you guys can see, now let's select this phone only, click done, and now it has its own family profile. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.